I'm Heidi Marconaut, Mrs. M. I teach Child Lab at Wellesley High School. To get into Child Lab, if you are thinking about taking Child Lab, you would need to take Child Development or Teaching Young Children. Those are the two prerequisite classes. You don't need to take two, you may take one. And then you can come and play with the children and plan lessons for them and all sorts of activities. And part of this video, you're going to see all what our room looks like and all the different things we get to do with the children. Favorite part of Child Lab? I think I like to read, or sing, or dance. I don't know if I can just pick one thing.
My favorite part about Child Lab is getting to take a break from all of your regular classes and come hang out with 3, 4, and 5-year-olds all day.